Hey, what's up? It's BadMad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you don't know who I am, my name is BadMad. I want you to be a part of my baddie squad today. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and remember to like and comment. This is a very special week. It is the 4th of July holiday week. 4th of July has seriously been one of my favorite holidays since I was a young girl. It probably has something to do with the fact that we are always at my family's lake house. It's just one of those holidays where you want to be on a boat, drinking something pleasant, and enjoying time with your family and friends. What are you guys doing for the 4th of July holiday? Let me know in the comments below. Today's look, very glam. I wanted to do something different and fun for the holiday. I also was severely disappointed in one of the products that I used today for the first time, so stay tuned to find out what that product is. If you'd like to find out how to achieve this glam 4th of July look, stay tuned. I've already placed Tarte Shape Tape on my eyelids just to set a base. Tarte Shape Tape is my favorite. So let's go ahead and start. I'm so excited for this look, you guys. The 4th of July just makes me so happy. So I'm going to be using the Hit the Lights palette from Morphe. It's a super pretty, colorful palette. I really want this look to be as vibrant as possible. If I want to deepen my red, I can always come up to this guy here. This looks a little orange, so I'm going to be using this, potentially this, and this down here. You loop this out, you're just kind of creating a wave. And honestly, when I'm first laying down pigment, I do like to go back and forth like that and see how we're just kind of winging this out. And that is exactly what we are going for. I am using a Morphe brush from my Eye Obsessions collection. I mentioned this in my last upload about brushes. I know brushes can be so intimidating and hard to navigate, but I specifically uploaded that video because I want to make it simple for you baddies. Just kind of making a swoosh. See that? We are going to wing our liner, so I'm winging this out. I was looking for the NYX white base. They did not have the white base from NYX, so I'm going to be using the Epic Wear waterproof liner from NYX in white. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm grabbing a paddle brush just so I'll be able to work this because I'm sure it dries quickly like that. We're not gonna worry about that little guy up there. We're going to correct that in just a moment. But for now, let's focus on getting this laid down. I'm going to take some setting spray and I'm just going to buff that out, you see? Of course, with a little bit of the red. Makeup is all about learning, so I'm keeping my eyelid down. I'm keeping my eyelid down. Wrong brush. And I want this to be a little higher. This look will all come together, so do not worry. Okay, so next, I want to use an electric blue eyeliner. Picked up the NYX Epic Wear, and this is in Sapphire. This is a really tricky liner. Now on to lashes. This look calls for bold, beautiful lashes. I put on a pair of Lilly lashes in Canis. I'm going to take the Revlon Colorstay pen in Sapphire and go ahead and line my waterline. Okay, little FYI guys for this look, this NYX Epic Wear eyeliner is horrible. I should have 100% picked up a different liner. As you can see, it's not sitting well, like it's kind of getting everywhere, and when you put it on, it just moves everywhere. I actually ended up having to grab a squared off brush and just take it take the product and attempt to make this work. I picked up the Hard Candy eyeshadow duo, and I'm really interested to try this product. It has two different ends. I'm going to use the brush end, and I'm going to place glitter right along my crease. And I'm going to take this up. I'm just going to fade this into my blue. My ultimate favorite red is Morphe Hot Shot. NYX Epic Wear, toss it. Absolutely horrible. That is going to be thrown away for good. And that is it for my 4th of July holiday glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very much a trial and error video. I hope everyone has a fun and safe 4th of July holiday. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you baddies next time.